Hey guys, it's Lucy back with another video, and today I'm going to be making glossy slime. Okay, let's get on with the video. For the ingredients, you will need glue, coloring, activator, foaming wash, lotion, a big bowl, and a spoon. First, you put your bowl onto your table. Then you put about this much glue. There comes a time where you fade to the blackness, and when you're staring at that phone in your lap, and you hoping but them people never call. Add your 3 pumps of foaming hand wash. Then you add in your lotion and mix. Next, add in your food coloring. I'm doing pink. Mixy mix. If I don't make that, then I switch my flight and I'll be right back at it by the end of the night. Now add in your activator. Mixy mixy. And you're done. Yeah, somebody take me back to the days before this was a job, before I got paid, before it ever mattered what I had in my bank. Yeah, back when I was trying to get a tip at Subway, and back when I was rapping for the hell of it. But nowadays we rapping to stay relevant. I'm guessing that if we can make some wishes out of airplanes, then maybe, maybe I'll go back to the days before the politics, there we go, the rap game. And back when ain't nobody listened to my mixtape, and back before I tried to cover up my slang. But this is for Decatur, what's up, Bobby Ray? So can I get a wish to end the politics and get back to the music that started this? So here I stand, and then again I say, I'm hoping we can make some wishes out of airplanes. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that? Thanks for watching. Bye. Like shooting stars. I can really use a wish right now, wish right now.